Night as we're underway with an orange ball.
These are difficult conditions to play in.
Christensen now takes a shot on goal. Farrell gets a turn. To the back stick it goes. Knocked down. It's loose. Boateng buries the ball in the snow. Here's a counter-attack opportunity. A promising one for Miram, for Wood. Earl Edwards. Players combining to win it for New England. Now Maciel. Legit again. Cross for Buxa. Heads it goalwards. And Josie Altidore has his first goal as a member of the Revs. His in-swinging ball. Glad. Oh, loose. It's off the post, off the crossbar, I should say. Controlled by Carlos Heel and plays it down the line. Buxa cuts to the inside. Adam Buxa still going. Shrugs off one challenge. Still going. Adam Buxa, head up, drives it goalwards. That just missed. Not looked that certain. He had to slow down his steps to gather and ended up doing a good job. But for a second, oh, that's going the wrong way for the Revs. This could be a break. Bobby Wood taken down from behind. Drew Fisher, and it's tucked home. Minutes can't melt away quickly enough for him. Ruiz stands up a tricky ball in. Oh, it's in. 2-2. Schmidt giving chase. Nice play. Waffles in. Lays it back. A winner? Yes, it is. That is unbelievable. Schmidt slides in the snow.